Skincare just sent me this huge box, and I'm so excited. And not my fiance opening the box before I even get to open the box. But let's see what's in. Oh, guys, holy smokes. Okay, so you might want to get in here. This is amazing. I've been wanting a new makeup bag, so that's exciting. There's I don't even know where to begin. There's so much stuff in here. So this is their Line Smoothing Daily Cleansing Pad. They gently exfoliate and smooth. I am so excited to use these. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to put. Where should I put everything? Okay. Dude, this is a lot of stuff. Thank you to Rock Skincare. This is their Multi-Correction Revive Glow Eye Balm. We've got the Firming Serum Stick. This is a retinol. These are their Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Target Patches. There's a lot of stuff, so probably not gonna go through everything because my fiance doesn't want to hold the phone. However, we're gonna keep going. These are the Revive Glow Daily Serum. They look like drops. These are vitamin C. Excited about these. I'm excited to try all of this. This is their Contour Cream, Advanced Retinol, Swerachimere. Don't even get. It's a contour cream. I can't pronounce that. Then we have the Hydration Cream, Line Smoothing Retinol Correction. This one is the Multi-Correction Even Tone Lift Moisturizer. This is the moisturizer, which I actually have this. So that's what's up. Got another box. And then this is the Barrier Renew PM Moisturizer. This one I'm excited to have. Then we've got another box here. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, these are my favorite right here. I love these little night serum capsules. I have been using these every single day. I'm actually out of them, so I'm so excited that I got another one. It's a whole, like, PR kit. It's exciting. This is more of the PM moisturizer. This one is the Renew Barrier Cleanser. And, oh, what is this? It's the microscope. Oh. Okay. And this one is the SPF moisturizer again. But I'm really intrigued about this microscope here. Huge thank you to Rock Skincare. I'm obsessed with those little capsules, the retinol capsules, so I'm definitely going to be using those products. I'm excited to try them. As I do, I will let you guys know how I feel about them, but I do love some of the products that I already got because I've been using them for a while. So thank you.